So guys, we are at the most famous 7-Eleven of Japan.
You can try, but I won't stop, won't stop. Won't stop. Won't stop. Won't stop. You can try, but I won't stop, won't stop.
Mount Fuji.
I can't stop. I can't be stopped now. I can't stop.
So guys, we made it to Fuji Speedway.
Won't stop, won't stop. Won't stop. Won't stop. Won't stop. You can try, but I won't stop, won't stop. I can't be stopped now. I can't stop. I can't be stopped now. I can't stop. I can't be stopped now. I can't stop. You can try, but I won't stop.
So guys, we are at the most famous 7-Eleven of Japan. We are going to spend the night here waiting for the sunrise, and the Mount Fuji is going to be at the back there. We are going to sleep. Woo. So guys, I'm feeling like super lucky and grateful in this moment, because I have the possibility to experience this. I don't know guys, in this moment I was like, oh my god, I'm enjoying it, and the feeling is incredibly good. And guys, you just need to trust in yourself and you're going to make it. That's it. So right now I'm going to eat my breakfast, and then I'm going to sleep guys, because literally I need some sleep. Breakfast. Guys, the freaking Fuji is So guys, we wake up like yesterday at 6 a.m. more or less, and we are still on the road, and right now we are going to do the best touge here in the zone. Yoshi.
Sei confermo, giusto? Che quello ti serve non sono essere 2000. Hai minato zero adesso?
No, purtroppo no.
So guys, we are arrived at Mount Fuji, and the ride till here was incredible, guys. The feeling of driving an S2000 on this road, oh, like Honda on those corners are like the best cars. That's a view. We obtained the registration for the drone. So guys, we made it to Fuji Speedway. Maybe we are going to get inside. Aspetta, aspetta, aspetta. I don't know. Listen to the sound. I don't know. Hope I can arrive at home.
Pregi e difetti di questa macchina, dai. Ecco, Dio, col freno a mano.
Guarda, guarda.